Hello everyone, it's Andra here. I'm by the river and yes, feeling quite sensitive and tearful, reflecting on things in my life that are not working, which is interesting because they are the same topics that came up last month in exactly the same time before my period. It seems to be that my inner critic is more active and she's kind of taking me by the hand and highlighting, this and that and that, it's not going the way you want it. So without being too generic, I feel in terms of social life, I'm not as fulfilled as I could be. I don't feel that I have enough meaningful, consistent, deep relationships, and it makes me feel very heavy and very sad and somehow lonely, and yeah, like I'm not doing as good as I could in that part in my life. So yeah, without trying to now make it all bright and positive, I'm just gonna let this be with me and then let some action come through on its own accord, without forcing, without trying to gloss over it or put some fake positivity on top. And being in nature is good. Just staying here and giving myself lots of love as I feel tender and I feel fragile and sensitive today.